Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Fiverr. First of all, go to your browser and search for fiverr.com. At the top left corner, you'll see their logo. Just click on it to go to the official website. Now at the top right, you'll see two options, join or sign in. If you're completely new, simply click on join. You can create a new account using your Google account, email, Apple ID, or even your Facebook. Just choose your preferred method and tap continue. For now, I'm choosing continue with Google. Now just select your Google account and tap continue again. And there you go, you're almost logged in. Now enter your name and choose a username. If the username is taken, just modify it slightly. Click on create account and boom, your Fiverr account is created. Next, you'll be asked some basic questions like, what brings you to Fiverr? Choose I'm a freelancer, then tap next. You can skip some questions if you want, but answering them helps Fiverr understand your profile better. Now you can also enter your freelancing experience. Once done, you can either start exploring or complete your freelancer profile. I strongly recommend completing your profile. Otherwise, Fiverr might consider it a spam account, and it can get banned easily. Click continue and keep tapping through the prompts. Now enter your full name and then your display name. Upload a professional profile picture. Just click on the upload option, choose a neat photo and done. Now you have to enter your description. This is very important. Tell Fiverr what services you offer and what you're passionate about. For example, if you provide digital marketing services, write a short but clear description. And if you don't know what to write, no worries. You can go to ChatGPT and ask, write me a perfect Fiverr profile description. I'm a digital marketer. Copy the result and paste it into your Fiverr profile. Simple as that. Now let's move on to languages. Add all the languages you know. If it's just English, select that and choose your level. For example, fluent. You can also click Add New to add more languages like Finnish, Spanish, or anything else you know. Next, tap on Continue. Now select your occupation. This is what you offer as a freelancer. Choose from categories like graphic design, writing, translation, or digital marketing. Then enter your years of experience. For example, from 2019 to 2025. Now choose 2 to 5 of your best skills. For digital marketing, you might select affiliate marketing, e-commerce marketing, marketing strategy, influencer marketing, or social media marketing. You can add more if needed. Then scroll down and enter other relevant skills too. Now add your education details, like your degree, university name, major, and year. Also, add any certifications you have. Just type them in and upload them. If you have a website, you can also add the link here. Now tap Continue. Next, Fiverr will ask for your phone number. You can skip this, but I suggest adding it to make your account look more professional and secure. And that's it. You're now ready to start selling on Fiverr. Click on Create a Gig, or tap Join now to make your first service listing. Enter your gig title, select a category, add search tags, and click Save and Continue. Next, enter your pricing, description, and FAQs. Then upload your gig gallery. Choose your file format if needed and click Continue. Finally, publish your gig. Now go to your profile and check how it looks. If everything is good, you're all set. And remember, if you want to become a seller, just tap Become a Seller and follow the steps. That's pretty much it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Take care and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and all the best for your Fiverr journey.